Hi guys, it's me. I heard like an animal crying over towards that way. And there's Ash. Hi. So you can hear it. And this is Ash. You can come out, Ash. Come on. Come on, Ash. Come on. Well, see, it's going away every time I get closer. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh, there's my friend's horse. Now I gotta try to find it. Come here. See, now it's all quiet. And I guarantee you, once I start because it sounds like an animal is hurt. There's my friend's horse. Now I'm gonna go walk away. And they'll probably start doing it again. Weird. No, but that's the barn where my friend even confirms that's creepy. See, but now it's not doing it. Which is weird because I was letting the dogs out. And it was making a sound like